Hello. It's almost 2 a.m. and I can't sleep, so why not? A lot of you have been asking about how I do the 3-in-1 diaper thing, so I'm going to show you. You're going to need clear tape, a pair of scissors, a baby diaper, a Tenna or a Tina slip, and an M4. I usually do these in bulk, where I just watch TV and cut out like an entire pack of these. But I like to save the tabs because someone mentioned that they can be good for keeping stuffers in place because these are the Velcro type tabs. So I just cut them out and keep them. And then I've noticed that the quickest way to do this is to fold it out so that the leak guards are also folded, and I like to just cut like into the thing until it's like parallel, and I do that all around. There. And when it's like this, I can just cut in and make sure that I'm cutting both the leak guards and the elastic. Yes. There we go. And then we have a stuffer. I'm going to do the exact same thing with the bigger one, the Tenna, and just cut this thing. And because they flare out at the end, I'm going to need to cut a little bit longer into the thing, so like just about there. And you probably don't need to see this part. And there we go. The power of pressing the pause button. We can just throw these out. And I have my pad thing. Now I'm gonna take my scissors, make a little cut in the back, and then I just shove my hand in there and separate it. Because I'm weird, I like to make sure that the front is at the front, and the padding has to be, you don't want to put the backing up to the padding. It would just make no sense. It wouldn't work. So, just shove it in there, and then we just have a line here. And oh great, I didn't fold the end. I'm an idiot. There we go. Power of fingernails. And we just tape the opening. Now this is going to be inside the M4, so I'm not really very fuzzy about it. This will do. But now we have to take the M4, and because this is the outer layer, I like to have the thing on the front, so if it starts to rip apart or something, I can fix it. Also, this is in plastic backed, which means I get a little bit of a landing zone, which is kind of nice. Just open it up. You don't have to open it up this much, but it's better if you're going to show it. So I just make a cut in the front. It doesn't have to be like all the way at the top. I find that if I have it all the way at the top, it opens more, but maybe that's just me. Maybe I'm weird. And again, I like to make sure that the back is at the back and the front is at the front. There is absolutely no reason for this. It's just because I do. Oh, forgot to open it up. Make a little tunnel. And there we go. Just shove it in. And flatten it out. There. Now this isn't completely in, so this is all the way at the end. So I'm gonna need to put it in like that, and again make sure it's flat. And I'm just gonna smooth this out and tape it. I'm gonna tape over the whole thing. Like, I used to use a lot more tape, but it's really not necessary, and it just takes up a lot of time. But I'm gonna tape across the thing. I forget how to speak sometimes. Okay, and the other side as well. Here we go. And this time, I'm actually gonna fold it. Genius. Yes. So I taped it in kind of like a big eye-shaped thing, but like you can make a lot of these. I usually make like 10-ish at a time, just while watching TV, and then you just try to somehow fold the ginormous monster of a diaper. Just fold it. Yep, fold it. Okay. And there you have it. Super thick, super fluffy, and I did the math, and the theoretical absorbency is somewhere around 8,000 milliliters, which is quite a lot. So, yeah. Bye-bye.